Bupati. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your Captain Bambang Duyanto with Captain Richard, First Officer Bayu Arianto Wis, and Muhammad Fabian Putra, Sky crew members of Garuda Indonesia, members of Sky Team. Welcome on board this Boeing 777-GA089, board for Jakarta International Airport, Jakarta. Flight time to Jakarta will take about 13 hours, 13 minutes. We'll be flying eastward direction. The very long ledger is fine. Thank you for flying with us. Have a pleasant flight. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sudirna, person of this flight. Welcome on board flight GA089. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulation, in a few moments we will show a video regarding safety features of this aircraft. Please fasten your seatbelt, adjust your seat back in the upright position, lock the table securely. If you are seated in emergency door exit seat, please read the exit safety card which is available in the seat pocket. Thank you, and we wish you very enjoyable flight with Garuda Indonesia, member of Sky Team.
The local time now is 15 minutes to 12 a.m. The time in Jakarta is 5 hours ahead of Amsterdam. In a few moments, in-flight connectivity will turn off automatically. Passengers who are still using this service are kindly requested to finish your session immediately. Thank you.
Flight at the landing position. Yang terhormat, kita telah mendarat di Bandara Udara Internasional Soekarno-Hatta. Selamat datang di Jakarta. Silakan tetap duduk sampai pesawat ini berhenti dengan sempurna dan tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah kita harapkan. Bapak dan Ibu yang akan melanjutkan penerbangan, kami persilahkan melapor pada bagian layanan pindah pesawat. Sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, periksalah kembali barang-barang bawaan Anda dan berhati-hatilah pada saat Anda membuka tempat bagasi di atas. Passengers with connection flight are requested to consult our ground staff at the transfer desk. Before disembarking, please check your cabin luggage. We would like to say goodbye to all of you and thank you for flying Garuda Indonesia, member of SkyTeam.